This one is the body, the legs or the feet. So this one is the neck and the head. So today guys, I received my order and help me to unbox my order because I don't know what's inside. I forgot. Joke, joke, joke. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. Let's go where? Okay, let's start. I already make a hole in here guys. I already make a hole. I make a hole already. Yeah. So we'll see what's inside. I think you already know because you read the title already. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Can you read? I think it's not upside down. Upside down. Can you read that one? I don't know if you can read it. Dimmable LED ring vlogging video live broadcast kits. Ayan. So it's a ring light. We unbox. We're going to unbox this ring light. Okay. Ayun. Light ko para makita niyo. This is the hard box to open. I'm just going to take it. Ooh. See? Like that. So this is of course the ring light. The ring light, the ring, and where the light in there maybe inside. And this one, what's in the box? This one that I don't know what is this. And this. And this. So here's the light. Here's the light. The light is not on yet. It's not on yet. The ring light is not on yet. We're going to assemble this one guys. Help me how. So this one is the power here. There's no charger or yeah. There's nothing in the box. There's nothing anymore, guys. So it's USB. It's USB. So you can either plug it in your charger on your phone or in your laptop like that. And here's the body. The body of the ring light. How to do this? Just like that. Just like that. Oh, that one. That one and stand up. That's all. That's all in the box. No more here. That's all in the box. No more here. So this one, the head and the body. The head and the body. The head, the body. This is the feet, 3 feet. body and the head. Here is. Let's look at the body. Look at it. So here's the body. This is the feet. This is the 3 feet. The 3 feet, the body, and the head. The head. The head. The head of the ring light. The body, the feet. Chuk 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 Lanih. You laugh? No. It's OA. OA me. Sorry guys, just making you laugh. Okay, so let's assemble it now guys. So we'll see if it's working. So this one, I don't know, we'll see. There's no instruction. There's no instruction guys. There's no instruction. Oh God, there's no instruction guys. I don't know, I'm just gonna do like this. We'll see. We'll see this one maybe in here. You see that? Maybe this one is the neck. So because this one is the body, the legs or the feet. So this one is the neck and the head. This one is the neck guys. Let's connect the neck to the head. Let's see. There's no instruction. Okay. So, oh. So that one is attached already guys. And I don't know what this for. So I think this one is for the camera. Maybe the camera in here. Why the camera in here? So this one might not be attached in here guys. This one is not in here guys. This one is not in here. I make mistakes with this one. I think in here. In here guys. So this one in here guys. This a bad one because I don't have I don't have idea. This is my first time, or this is the first one I order a ring light, so I have no idea. So I think this is right now guys. So the camera must be in the middle. Oh, what happened? Oh, it can be twisted. Oh, can be like that as well. Yeah. And I wonder what is this guys. Help me guys. So maybe in here guys. So this is the little neck. Not the long neck. Let's see this one. How to connect guys. How to connect that one in here guys. It's hard but there's no instruction. So there's no instruction guys. How to do this? Hey guys, paano ba to guys? Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko alam kung paano to guys. paano dito? I need to tighten. I need to tighten it. So this one is to, this one here, this one here is to loose, the one to loose and tight there, guys. So I can attach this one here like this. So I'm gonna tight, and then I turn this one around so I can untouch, and then attach it again like that, guys. So I'm gonna tight it again, guys, and close like that. Now like that, guys. So I tried to put this one here. It doesn't go. It doesn't go, guys. How to attach that one there, guys? It's not fit. It doesn't fit. This one. I need to take this one off. That's why, like that. So you can attach here. Yeah. There, like that, guys. So this one, guys, it can be long. So just by close this one here and like that. And then if you want it longer, yeah. And then if you want it shorter, you can just back to its normal size like that. Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can make it longer, and you can make it shorter by just turn this like that. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it, my ring light. Let's plug in this. We'll see if it's gonna work. Let's plug in the computer. So, there, guys. Yeah, the power is on now. The power is on. So, it's gonna. Oh, look at that. So, I turn the light off. Can I turn the light off the next part? Huh? Let's see if it's working. So it's just like that, guys. So there is a plus and negative there. So when I press the plus, I put the light and can you turn off the light for me, babe?
Need to speak louder.
There. Like that, guys. So now the light is like that.
I'm watching.
So I'm gonna turn the power on. Now that one is on. It's on, guys. If I gonna, this one is too bright for me, so I'm gonna turn it down by pressing the minus, the turn down point. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there, guys. Look. See, the bright is now not so bright. It's not when I press the turn down, and then just press the sign, plus sign, and then it turns up the bright. See? And then there is in the middle there, I don't know what's that. We try to change it. Press this, the middle one. Oh, it changed the color. It changed the color. There's white or orange there, I don't know. Only two. The middle there. And so that one there. So that's it, guys. This is my new light. Ring light. My new ring light. So I have a new ring light. I will use this one when I do vlog, and of course during my live stream. Yeah, during my live streaming. Because when I use in my laptop, guys, the laptop's camera is blurred. So now I'm gonna try this next LS, guys, if it's good clear video in the screen when you watch my live stream. Okay. Thank you for watching. You're still there watching me unbox my ring light. So thank you. Hope you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget and leave comments there. Of course, don't forget to leave comments so I can visit you back. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Bye-bye. How to take photos in there?
Don't want to take that photo.
I didn't take photos.